Hello, and this is Ultan Kearns here, showcasing my final year project. The first thing you'll notice is that this is hosted using Google Cloud Platform. This will be the final address of the application. Um, Please remember the port numbers when connecting to the application because I only have certain open ports. I have also opened port 8080 just as a development tool so you can get like all the information about users here. So, without further ado, uh, sorry, actually, I forgot to mention the reason why the certificate is invalid or says that it's not trusted is because it is signed by myself. It is actually encrypted using SHA-256, which is fairly secure, and the public key is RSA 2048. So it is secure, but it is just because it is secured. It was issued by me and it's self-signed is the reason that it's not viewed as secure. But anyway, let's get right into it. So I'm just going to log in here using my password, and as you can see here, the password is encrypted using SHA-256 as well. So I'm not too worried about having the passwords exposed here. Oopsie daisy. It's telling me I entered the wrong password. Yeah, I'm not sure what that was about, but anyway, Twilio is just telling me to enter my two-factor authentication code, which is a code sent to my phone. It is a 16-bit random digit, so I'm just going to log in here with it. If you enter the code wrong 3 times, uh, it will send you another message and you'll have to log in again, so you'll have to use another 16 digit integer which is randomly generated. Yes, allow that to use the microphone. Sorry, some of the styles might seem a bit weird here, but these will be fixed at the end of the application. And another thing you might notice here is that up here, uh, it's basically listening to all of our commands. This is annyang, a voice recognition library. So I have a set of voice commands programmed into it to navigate to any of these components. So I'm just going to test that out. Hello. Sorry, sometimes it might not be able to work as well, but I'll just show you the navigation. About. See, here I removed the menu because it's redundant, so that'll just take us to the about page. And let's try transactions. And here we can see all of the users' transactions. These are created using annyang. The name's test. I'm not sure why that is. I think I have like a load of dummy data in there. User info. And here we can see all the information about the user. Not sure what that's about. That's just random error message. Loans. And here we have loans here. So now it's working fairly well, like as you can see. I'm not sure why that error message is showing up, but that will be fixed in the final project. It might be a Chrome thing. Headlines. Sorry, I think it's because of that error message that voice commands aren't being detected. I'm going to try and switch back to user info. User info. Yeah, it was because of that. Home. And you see, it works fairly well actually. Support. working too well with that command. Help. Help. Yeah. As you can see here, it once you say help, it will explain all the voice commands. So you can navigate to all the components, or you can log out if you want. And to exit voice mode, you log out and log back in again. So I'm going to try and navigate to headlines again just to show you, and statistics. Headlines. Oh, it detected statistics in my voice before it detected headlines. Sorry, sometimes that can fail with Chart.js, but these are all the user info. So you can see here that there's a few transfers to one of the dummy accounts I made. So let's try and go to headlines. 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 Yeah, sometimes you might have to say it once or twice, but it is a very good library overall. You should definitely check out annyang if you're into sort of any voice recognition. So here you can just get a news API or Reddit. Sorry about that. So the last voice command is logout, so I'll just show you that. Logout. Logout. Yeah, and as you can see there, we're back at the home screen. So that's pretty much where I am in terms of development. The register works. The forgot password will send an email. Sometimes it messes up because of security issues with Google, which I will try hashing out at the end of this application. But the two-factor authentication works. The all the loans or update info pages work, and all that information is stored here on the backend server, which I will secure. Like, I don't want the user to actually access this, so I will actually be closing down that port and not allowing traffic to it using the uncomplicated firewall in Linux. But yeah, the purpose of this video just the purpose of this video is basically to show that I do have it up on Google Cloud. I might run out of credit for it, but I don't think that'll happen anytime soon. But anyway, at the moment everything's working. Two-factor authentication, all the stuff's working there. I just need to get interest on loans and a few other things, but that's pretty much my final year application, and at this stage of development it is almost complete. It just has a few stylistic changes, as you can see, which need to be performed. Well, thank you for watching. This has been my update. Signing off now.